You thought working with clients who needed to sell and buy was difficult in 2021? Well, just get ready for 2022. And I hate to tell you, we're a big part of the problem. My name's Dave with Crush It in Real Estate, and it's the catch-22 we all deal with. Sellers don't want to list because they're not seeing any inventory, and because they're not listing, other people aren't, and it just dominoes from there. And a lot of this is because of the conversations we have with clients. We're still talking to them like it was 2010. Now, we took a market snapshot of Massachusetts inventory using MLSPIN to see what active single-family homes are available today versus over the years. So let's take a quick look. To end the suspense, as of yesterday, there were 3,236 single-family homes available in Massachusetts. Last year at this time, there were 4,350. That's about a 25% decrease. And that's why I'm so confident saying, although I don't like to, it's going to get more difficult this spring than it was last spring. But what are you doing to help the problem? Have you practiced these conversations? They're sometimes difficult to have. Have you given the seller comfort? You're not going to end up homeless, right? You will find the right home. I understand you're concerned about not finding something in the right time frame. I understand you don't want to carry 2 mortgages. And believe me, I don't want any of those things to happen to you either. But if we put the proper protections in place, that won't happen. You know, there's plenty of strategies we could take. We could list with some disclosures. We could wait to list until you find the perfect home. There are use and occupancy agreements, long closing dates. There's plenty of options. So the better job we can all do, the more people will be willing to list. Hopefully I won't be filming another video next December telling you to watch out for the upcoming year.